The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Matt with Learn About Law, and in this video I'm going to discuss copyright infringement and the 4 factors of the fair use exception. Specifically, we will answer the following questions. What is copyright? What is the fair use exception? What are the 4 factors of the fair use exception? And what else do courts factor in when considering the fair use exception? What is copyright? Copyright provides content creators with exclusive rights over their creations. The Copyright Act defines these rights as applying to original works of authorship in the literary, dramatic, musical, and audiovisual pursuits. The exclusive rights include the ability to reproduce the work in question, to create derivative works, distributing the work, to perform the work for the public, and to display the work to the public. What is the fair use exception? In the promotion of free speech, the law carves out a limited exception to the otherwise exclusive rights. You can understand the fair use exception by keeping in mind the goal it is intended to serve. The exception covers commentary, criticism, education, and other pursuits that allow dialogue. The law delineates 4 factors courts are to consider. What are the 4 factors of the fair use exception? The purpose and character of the use, including whether such use is of a commercial nature or is for non-profit educational purposes. Number 1, the first factor courts are going to look at is the purpose of the unlicensed use. The user's intention will factor in the court's decision-making process. If the purpose is more in line with the spirit of the exception, an example, generally non-commercial, the court is more likely to find for the exception. Keep in mind, however, that this preference for nonprofit is not comprehensive. Not all educational reproductions are going to qualify for the fair use exception, and not all commercial ones are automatically disqualified. Number 2, the second factor is the nature of the copyrighted work. Copyright protection is intended to promote creativity. As such, courts will consider the degree to which the copyrighted work encouraged creative expression. If a work is particularly creative, courts are more likely to find that unlicensed uses are not fair use. Conversely, if a copyrighted work is more technical or factual, courts are more likely to uphold fair use, as the threat to the promotion of creative expression is less pronounced with uncreative work. Number 3, courts consider the portion of the overall copyrighted work that has been incorporated without license into the new work. Fair use is more likely to not apply if a significant amount of the copyrighted material has been borrowed. Courts also consider what part of the copyrighted material has been employed. They are likely to find that if the heart, or what they consider the most important aspect of the original, has been reproduced, fair use is less likely to apply. Number 4, courts look to the effect of the use upon the potential market of the copyrighted work. The operative question is whether and to what degree sales or public appetite is likely to be diverted from the original material to the new work. If the unlicensed use is likely to divert a significant portion of the economic value to the new work, courts are significantly more likely to find that fair use does not apply. What else do courts factor in when considering fair use exception? While the above factors constitute the legal tests courts are to apply when considering a fair use exception, it is important to understand that this is a balancing test. What this means is, while courts are supposed to work within this framework, they have a little wide breadth to determine whether fair use is appropriate. It is in their discretion to decide the balance of the four factors and to apply them to the circumstances in the case. Every case will be different, with somewhat different factors playing more or less important roles. To learn more about copyright and the fair use exception, check out our article linked below, and be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.